everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time for week 19. We will see, I think it's week 19, but we will see if I can make it. I have pretty much about a week left on my due date. Sorry if I look like crap. I didn't go couponing today. I also watched A Fault at Our Stars, and I basically was crying my eyes out because, you know, why not? But today is Monday. I did not want to go couponing today. I'm in so much pain to walk when I work that I just don't want to do anything, and I'm just overtired because I'm not sleeping at night now. It hurts for me to roll over. So what I'm doing today is right now I'm making dinner for Ben and I, but what I plan on doing this week, hopefully in the next day or so, is getting more baby stuff ready. I have a lot of cleaning to do, but I'm really hoping a friend comes over and helps me. She just motivates me, and I'm really hoping she comes. If she can come on Saturday, that would be better if we didn't have the baby by then. My food is boiling over, so I gotta go head over there. Okay, so I was boiling potatoes and they boiled over. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I want to do in the next couple days. But like I said, I'm really hoping she doesn't come until like next week. I just have so much stuff to do. I'm not ready, and my food is boiling over again. Oh my god. I don't know how to boil potatoes very well. We're just gonna leave it open. So what I'm doing right now is the dishes. This was not like this yesterday. This is all yesterday's dishes. So I'm in the middle of emptying the dishwasher right now, cleaning that up. I also have all these random sippy cups that I've had from... I've had all these sippy cups for when I clean out the cabinet, and I haven't gone through them yet, so I still need to go through them. I'm probably just going to get rid of them and throw them away. This is stuff that I've gotten with, some people got me gifts, so I got to wash all this stuff, so I'm probably just going to go throw it in the washing machine and start a load right now. I got a breast pump in the mail free through my insurance, so I have to hook that up or figure it all out, wash everything. Husband wants me to clean our kitchen table. It's a freaking mess right now, so that's my goal. Ben's been making a train track ramp, so this doesn't bother me, but he puts it away at night. And then I also want to do is get everything set up. I have the thing to put on. I got to fill this up, and then I want to put some totes in here for Ben's toys. So I plan on filling this up this week. It has to be done this week. We finally got the car seat all ready to go. Graham's like, how the heck do you put a baby in a car seat? So we had to use this bear. So we got the bear sitting in there right now. So that's what I plan on doing probably tonight and tomorrow. And then I also have to get a couple things done with her room, which I'll share with you guys on that. And then my goal also is to get the diaper bag cleaned out and figured out. So that is what I am going to work on in the next 2 days. I'm probably going to go to Walgreens. I don't know if I'm going to go to Walgreens on Tuesday or Wednesday, but this is Monday, so you guys will see what I do by then. But I'm out of breath. I look like crap. I'm hungry. My show comes on in a couple minutes, so I have to get all that started and give Ben a bath. Yeah, I have to give Ben a bath. So just wanted to share with you guys my start of the week cleaning video. We will see how it goes. Otherwise, I will still continue this video if she's born. I might just not post it on my Saturdays. So we will see. But again, thanks for watching, and on to the next. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it is Wednesday. I am kind of tired, but Ben's home and he's driving me nuts because that's what he does, and the weather's kind of crappy. It's cold and rainy, but I really want to get my whole living room cleaned before the baby comes. And I had somebody who commented who said something really mean. I am not lazy. I am just a person who doesn't give a crap. I'm not lazy at all. I mean, I clean my house, but why should I have it clean? I keep it to my liking, and it kind of pissed me off, and I blocked them because I don't feel like, you know, I show you guys me. I show you guys what kind of person I am. Sorry, I'm getting emotional because I'm just an emotional person, but I show you guys what kind of person I am. I am not your perfect person who has everything together. I'm just a person who just, you know, there's people who probably have it worse than me. That's fine, but I am a person who just likes to share with you guys what I do. A lot of you guys love these motivational videos, and it keeps me motivated to do something once a week. And that's why I continue doing these house cleanup videos. After the baby's born, I plan on doing more heavier stuff. It's just right now I can't. I'm 39 weeks today. She could come at any minute. But last night I was telling the husband, I says, I do not, sorry, I can't look at the camera right now. I do not want to go into labor and have my house a mess and come home to a mess. So today I want to pick up as much as I can. My cat's driving me nuts behind me. Paris! I'm going to throw something at you. But I do not want to come home to a messy house. So let me throw something at my cat because she's driving me nuts. Okay, she doesn't know the word stop. So what I want to do today is just focus. I'm doing laundry because laundry just never stops at my house. It just never stops. So I want to I'm doing laundry right now. Not going to put it away, but I'm working on it. But today I am going to clean my living room. I'm also going to clean the windows because they had fingerprints on them. But what I did do the other day is I did put some of the baby stuff on here, but Ben thinks it's like a play area. So we have this. I'm just going to clear it off, get a little bit more baby stuff figured out. But here's my living room. It's not that bad. It's just Ben is just destroying things. I told him to pick up some movies to bring to Grandma and Grandpa's house, so he decides to take every single little kid movie possible. So I want this whole area to be clean. If it's not clean, he's in serious trouble. I want to dust this area, just get everything all picked up. He built a track the other day, so I want to get this whole area all picked up. The table I don't care about, but this whole area that picked up. I need to empty my dishwasher again because I run that thing every single day. I know people have it worse than I do, but I just do not want to go to the hospital. Sorry, my kid doesn't have pants on. I just do not want to go to the hospital and come home to this. I don't. So Ben is going to help me put movies away. He's going to help me clean. And we're going to do that. I'm going to clean the windows, clean the TV. So that is my goal today. So I want to get this video done as much as I can before Saturday because you never know. You never know when she's coming. I want to have a video made for you guys. So we got that. So we're not turning the movie on until we clean. I'm going to show Ibotta. Okay, so on to cleaning. Okay, you guys, so I am back to my cleaning video. Little did I know that later after I wanted to reach my goal, my water broke. So you guys will see a video that I did vlogging about the hospital. I'll be posting that soon, but I want you guys to meet baby Charlotte. But yes, she was born right after I finished the last bit of the house cleaning video, but I still want to clean. All of a sudden, I'm tired, but I have like this rage to clean. So right now, I started picking up Ben's toys, but I'm gonna get this 100% cleared out in a couple minutes once she lets me put her down. My mom's coming over. She'll be here any second. I'm gonna have my mom hold her, and I'm gonna clean because we're gonna put the swing up and we're gonna put the pack and play up, and then I have to just get the little baby's table set up. But I'm still gonna try to continue, guys, cleaning. The time is like 3:03, so again this video will be late, but that's okay because I just became a mom, and I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, you should rest, and I'm like, yes, I should, but we got to get some of the baby stuff out just so I can put her down and do other things later on. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. So I'm gonna clean the living room right now, and then I'll give you guys an update on that and the baby's thing. And then right now I'm also emptying the dishwasher because that never ends. And then we're also going to put laundry away. So I got a goal today. I just have like energy. I was expecting this, but yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit and see what I've done. Okay, you guys, so now since we're on maternity leave, husband and I got to talking. We really want to get stuff done with the house. So this week you guys are going to see, you guys already watched the previous week. I'm going to make this a 2-week cleaning video, and then I'll continue on with my weekly videos. It's just kind of hard with all the craziness. I'm taking a break from couponing for a week, which is awesome. But right now, husband is cleaning the front yard. He's like, you gotta show him, you know, it's not just about cleaning inside the house, you gotta clean outside. So I'm gonna show you guys him on what he's working on. But we just want to get some more stuff done the week. Today's Monday again. So this will be probably hopefully not a long video, but let's see what Graham's doing. Okay, so right now he is just putting all the mulch in our yard, cleaning everything up. So he's already started, but he's all excited to get the yard done, which is completely fine with me. But he just did this half. It looks good. And then we'll probably get flowers too sometime soon when the weather warms up eventually. But other than that, you're doing a good job, Graham. Well, yes, I'm back. I am trying to do my cleaning video. Today is Saturday, and usually I post my videos, so I am going to finish this video today. But what I said when I made my last video is we were going to get stuff done, we were going to get things done, and it's just a lost cause. The reason is it's harder to clean everything when you have a toddler, I guess preschooler, that destroys everything, makes a mess. So, and we've just been busy with people, you know, visiting us, and I've been up all night, so I sleep kind of in the mornings. And so we're still trying to get everything back to our old schedule, but today I finally am getting the day started. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't want to go anywhere today, so as you guys see, I have zero makeup on. I don't even do my hair. I just washed it, put it in a ponytail, let it air dry. But we might have some people come over and visit today. I don't know what's going on. My in-laws might come over. But one thing I need to get done is laundry. I haven't put my laundry away probably since like 2 or 3 videos ago. I put some of it away, but it just keeps adding on and on and on, and I haven't had a chance to put it away. So hopefully by the time you guys see the next video, I get it done. Graham went to take a nap right now, so I can't do it, but when I get a chance, I'm going to do that. But I do want to share with you guys what I'm getting done. So right now today, she's just taking a little nap so I can get some stuff done. But I do want to share with you guys all this crap. This is Ben's mess, and I've picked it up, so I'm going to try to pick this up real quickly. So that is one thing I am getting done in the next 5 minutes. He keeps grabbing movies and wants to put them there, so I'm going to put all those movies away, straighten up the mantle, make it all pretty.
Don't put those movies away, because while I'm there, I have to watch those movies.
Okay, so we're going to pick up the movies, and then what I also want to do is clear off the kitchen table. So I'm going to try to get majority of that stuff cleared off, but Graham just, you know, eats and doesn't put it away. So that's another thing I'm working on. And then the dishes. I have to just put the dishes away. So that is my goal, and clean up this mess. So that is what I want to work on, along with organizing my coupons. I haven't organized my coupons in about a month. I just have them in different piles, so I have to go through my old inserts, throw those away, and then get the drawers set up for the new inserts so I can get couponing. But yes, you guys will see me do a coupon haul tomorrow. I'm definitely doing Walgreens, but I'm probably going to do CVS. I'm just going to take her with me. But other than that, you guys are wondering. I know it was nice taking a break, but I'm having withdrawals. Like, I need to go couponing, so wanted to share with you guys on that. But let me clean up a little bit, and then I'll follow up, and then we can finish the house cleaning video.
And hello, my name is Benjamin. We got some stuff for the store, and I got I'll be right back, guys.
Okay, well, he doesn't have any pants on, so I don't want to film him chasing something right now. Oh, he wants to show you guys what he got at the store.
And this is the golden Halloween, and this is the board goes so fast.
Okay, so let's get on to cleaning. Okay, you guys, so it is now 3:51, and I've been cleaning for pretty much almost an hour straight. That's all I wanted to do. I feel like I did get my stuff done. I'll still work on more after I finish this video, but as you guys know, if you guys have kids, you forget to eat. And I've had, like, so far today I've only had 3 slices of bacon and a glass of chocolate milk. Like, I literally forget to eat. I'm not like starving, I just forget to eat. So I'm making oatmeal right now because it helps you with your supply of milk. So I'm doing that. But what I ended up doing is I did clean up the kitchen a little bit. The dishwasher's running. I found some more dishes randomly. I did pick up a little bit of this. I still got a little bit left of picking up to do, but I did clean the kitchen table off a little bit. I just got to go through stuff a little bit more, but I did go through all my coupon inserts. So these are all the inserts I'm going to recycle, and I went through some of my old coupons to print, but I'm recycling this whole pile right here. Still got to do the movies, but that's like 2 seconds. And then I did reorganize some of my coupons, so I have them labeled of what inserts are what. So that is pretty much it for my couponing videos, you guys, or for my cleaning videos. I'm just doing this on a regular basis now to keep me motivated so I can share with you guys that, but I am going to do laundry later today. My goal is to work on that. But I will be couponing tomorrow, and then once we're back to our old schedule, I'm going back to cleaning the basement because it's bad. It's gotten bad just because we've neglected it because we've been focusing on the nursery. So that is something that's going to come up in a couple of weeks for the basement tour. Again, yeah, it's that bad. So, but otherwise, I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm here. I'm still trying to get everything caught up, but I also am proud I did clean up my desk. Like, it doesn't look like it, but I did. Like, my desk is always messy. I just find things easier when it's messy, but it's getting there. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good cleaning week, and I will see you guys next Saturday for hopefully a lot cleaner house. I know it's hard with 2 kids, but fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.